Good morning. So today is May 16 and options expiration, and the structure hasn't changed very much. Yesterday we had an inside day, then we had an outside day, and yesterday was a double distribution. We kind of skipped run through this whole 2-day balance after failing to break below. So look below and fell, and then broke above, and then consolidated here, left a bullish imbalance targeting 59.71, and now overnight we have also another double distribution. So above yesterday's high, then the grind keeps going to these two bullish imbalances, and then I'm expecting some sellers here, some resistance at the 59.80 to 59.88, but then from there, if we get above there, there's this distribution right here, we can go from there, we can go another 40-50 points pretty easily. We have an untested point of control here and a balance target, bullish balance at 60.11. Having said that, usually during OPEX, right before the open, we do get a pullback. So let's see if we get that today too. I talked about this before, 5 minutes before the open. Usually we see some sellers. That will be in 5 minutes. So anyway, if we get inside yesterday's range, look for a value area sweep and a move back to the 20-day point of control right here. And then if sellers keep going, here's where support should be, around 58.84. If we hold that, then looking for a move back to the 5900 area. If we lose it, then we still have a little tiny set of single prints here, is looking for that to get cleaned up, and then a move back down to the 58.55 area. NQ. So NQ was very strong lately. Right now we're trading below yesterday's high, which is interesting because now ES is acting a little stronger. But the magnet here for NQ is at right here at 330-ish, 325-ish. And then there's still a single prints here at 180 to 130, and then the rest of the spike that hasn't been tested yet on NQ. Now below this session, if we get below the session, is 20,910 is the target. Crude. Alright, so crude, yesterday this area right here was a low volume node, and we completely filled this, and now it looks like it wants to become the next point of control. It's right below the 21 EMA, but so this should be gone now, and this is looking more like this is gonna be the range. You can see that all these low volume nodes. Oh, wait a minute, never mind, this is because we're switched to the end contract. Never mind. So okay, so looking at the end contract, this looks, we gotta move this a little bit, but scenarios remain similar. Looks like this is the distribution that we're trading at, between 59.80 and 63.40. And then if we get back above the 64 area, or the 50 moving average, 65.80 is the target. Gold. So gold, yesterday I said if we get above the 31.10, look for 32.40 something, and we did that, and then that area got rejected. So now we're back in here, and so this right here, there's really not much support until down here, which is 3100 area. So we could see a pullback all the way to 3100 in gold. So watch this. This is kind of poor structure. So we have like all this untested references. So watch that 3100 area for target. If we are, if same scenario, if we get back above 32.10, look for 32.40 again. All right, have a good day, good luck, and enjoy your weekend.